Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Subho. This is my YouTube channel, Subho Brown Girl. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing this makeup look which I've created for festival, for Raksha Bandhan festival look, and I'm going to be starting from this video. This is first video of series hashtag Raksha Bandhan series lockdown special, and for this series, I'm going to be showing only makeup videos for Raksha Bandhan festival look, which you can carry at home. And I'm gonna be doing a different makeup look on the basis of type of people. Like there are many people, like many girls who want to do makeup with only like focus to their eyes and not lips, and another thing they wanna keep subtle. Like I did a glam look on my eye makeup and keep subtle my base. My base is very subtle with nude lipstick and a little bit bronzer and blush. So let's get started with our video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this, and also share my video with your friends and family. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So before doing our makeup, let's do something skin preparation. So for the toner, I'm using my rose water as a toner. Then I'm gonna use a serum which is from Biotique Age Visible Ageless Serum, and just dabbing on my face so it absorb on my skin. Then next I'm gonna take a moisturizer. I am taking Nivea cream moisturizer and just dabbing and applying on my skin, and just let this cream to absorb before our makeup. Then to set up all the up, I'm using my primer and just using on my T-zone or wherever I have open pores. Then for the concealer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer and contour palette in the shade medium to dark. And first I'm gonna cancel out my pigmentation area and dark area which I have on my face. Then after blending it, I'm using little bit lighter to my skin shade, and just applying to my inner corners of my under eyes, so it will help to darken and waken up look my eyes a little wider. And I'm just blending out with some Damn Beauty blender sponge. Then for setting my concealer, I'm using Maybelline. You can use loose powder, but I like to use compact. So after concealing, I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'll fill all the sparse areas with the help of Makeup Revolution black eyeshadow palette, and with the flat shader brush. Then I'm gonna comb and set it down, and then to clean out my edges and eyebrow borders, I'm using concealer, one and only Lakme Absolute Concealer, and just blending out with the sponge and setting with some loose powder. Here I'm using loose powder, and here I'm using my Swiss Beauty palette, and I have this 2 to 4 colors of purple shade. And for base, I'm gonna use this purple shade. So eyes, I'm taking this two color as a transition shade, and here comes the main process. I'm using this purple shade as a base of my purple eyeshadow color. So just dabbing out, just placing it on my lids. Nothing to worry, and be patient. Just dab, take the shadow and just place it on. No need to be hurry, just place it on. And then I'll use something a little to diffuse. I'm gonna use this light purplish color and just diffusing the edges with the clean blending brush. So here my base is ready, and then I'm gonna take this shimmer metallic purplish color and just placing it on my eyelids with the help of my fingers, and taking good amount of eyeshadow and just placing it on my eyelids. And make sure you use 2 to 3 coats for color payoff. then diffusing out all the edges with the same blending brush and the same light purplish color. Then I'm gonna take same base color, purple base color, and the flat shader brush for my lower lash line, and just giving the smoky effect with the same brush and eyeshadow. So here for my waterline I'm using Island Kohl Kajal from NY Bay, and using one coat to my waterline. Then I'm gonna take my black eyeshadow just to stamping on my lower lash line to give that kajal effect. Then I'm taking this frosty icy color to give the brighten up to my inner corners, and just using and spreading from outwards to my tear ducts. Then for eyeliner I'm taking Lakme Absolute Shine eyeliner, and just making a wing eyeliner, especially for the ethnic wear or Indian wear. I like to use this long sharpen eyeliner effect, which look very great, and it suits on my face cut. And here I'm done with my eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my lashes with the eyelash curler. Then I'm gonna use mascara to my eyelash, using 2 to 3 coats of mascara to give that voluminous effect to my eyelash, because I don't like to wear falsies. It just doesn't suit me, I don't know why. And here I did my one eye makeup. So after doing eye makeup, I'm gonna head on and do my face makeup. So here this is the trick I used to see on Instagram and different big beauty gurus or YouTubers, beauty YouTube bloggers. They used to do before foundation, underneath contouring and concealing for their flawless look. So I tried the same method. So what you wanna do is use the concealer where you want to do highlight, want to give that highlight effect, and use contour cream on that part where you want to contour your face, like cheekbones, forehead, nose, and chin, and just blend it out with sponge or brush. And on that you have to use a foundation, and you're good to go. So I did the same method, I don't know, and luckily it turned out very well, and my skin, like my base, is looking very flawless after using this method. So here I'm taking my favorite foundation, which is from Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 301 Sun Beige, and just using on my concealer part, and dabbing out through with dabbing out with the sponge. So here after that I'm gonna set my face with the compact, and just pressing the powder to my skin, and just then I'm gonna set my concealer, I mean contour, with some contour powder, and just enhance that contour structure look. Then for the blush I'm using my Ultra Sivana palette, blush palette, and from that I'm taking this peach color. Then I'm gonna highlight my face with the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter, and using and highlighting all my high points of my face, like cheekbones, brow bones, nose, and all that part. Then I'm moving to my lips. I'm using Miss Claire lip liner to outline my lips. Then for the lipstick I'm using Lakme Absolute liquid lipstick in the shade pink peach nude. And I'm almost done with my makeup, and after using setting spray, dab out all the excess product on your face, and here my makeup is done. So I carried this makeup with some jhumka and kurta and some nose earring. That's it for today's, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and also you like this makeup look, and I'm hope you create, and if you do, then don't forget to post on Instagram and tag me on that. And my Instagram handle will be here or something on my screen, and I also give every social media handle in the description box, and also all the product link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable, and if you did, then let me know while subscribing my channel, and also press that bell icon to never miss any video from me, and give it a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, so I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye.